The Electoral Court, which had to navigate the hotly contested 2024 national and provincial elections, with only 2 of its 5-member panel being permanent, is set to have a third permanent appointment to the specialist bench. This comes after the JSC resolved to recommend the sole candidate before it, Judge Adams, for appointment.
In respect of the Electoral Court, there was only one candidate, Judge Leceister Adams. And the JSC, after interview and deliberations, voted that we should recommend to the President to appoint Judge Adams to the Electoral Court.
This places the ailing court in a better position ahead of the 2026 local government elections.
Well, I think that what we know now is that coming up we will have the elections next year, and the court will now have an extra member and will be able to deal with election issues quickly. They sit around the country, and having an extra member of the court will mean they're able to just deal with matters that much more quickly.
The JSC was only able to fill 1 out of the 3 vacancies in the Labour Court. In addition, the JSC's April leg, which only sat for 1 day, did not include other vacancies that still exist in the judiciary. A cause for concern for judicial watchdog Judges Matter.
Look, I think it's super concerning. We know that there's a shortage of judges, and we know that those appointments are desperately needed. We're looking at dates now in Gauteng, apparently only in 2030. We have a situation where the kind of pool of people who can act has really been used, and that applies to other courts as well. Until the Moseneke report has been dealt with and we can look at what additional positions can be created, we're in trouble, and when the positions that we do have aren't being filled, it just compounds the problem.
Meanwhile, the JSC is expected to also use the sitting to consider the complaint now impeached former Judge President John Hlophe filed against retired Chief Justice Mogoeng, as well as the Judicial Conduct Tribunal's gross misconduct finding against suspended Gauteng High Court Judge Tinswalo Nana Makubele. Kani Mapanga, SABC News, Pretoria.